Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and as always today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone playing around with plaster and plexiglass. The wooden piece there that they are painting, and then they are going to attach this piece to that. Ooh, wow, they made some beautiful artwork. This kind of has like a cool like 3D effect to it. Wow, beautiful piece. It honestly looks like something from an art gallery or something of that nature. Just stunning. And then we have an Upcycle DIY. So let's see what they end up doing here. This is an old pot that they are using here. Disco bowl. Oh, so they gave it more of like that modern look. You can also do this with pool noodles. I've seen that being done before. Just FYI. Throwing some ideas out there. Ooh, I like her outfit. I love jumpsuits and play suits. They're so comfortable, especially to wear like around the house. Yeah, so you know how she's gluing these wooden pieces. Like I said, you could do a pool noodle around this too if you don't want to work with the wood. And this gives it like that nice little like fluted detailing that's very popular right now. This could also, easily be like a cute little side table as well. So she goes in with that stone effect spray paint. So obviously I think she painted underneath. I think she painted that part white first, and then she's going in with the spray paint. Oh, that is so pretty. And there we go. She easily upgraded that pot. Very nice. I wonder if she made those disco balls too. Oh, okay, so we have some fall DIYs here. It looks like they're just doing like some decor, decorating. So this is like a nice little like easy peasy fall centerpiece design. They have it on their island. I like how it matches the reef in the background. Wow, these candles look so realistic nowadays. The flameless candles, they look so realistic. Look at that. That is just so pretty. And sometimes they even have a fragrance too. When you turn them on, you can smell them. Like they have come a long way. Okay, so we have another like fall inspired DIY here. I think she got these items from the dollar store because I seen those little pumpkins. I actually have a couple myself. Oh, she's making ghost, I think. Yeah, definitely making ghosts. Oh, these are cute. Cute little ghost figurines. Ghost figurines. Oh, she's making them look like they're holding that. Oh, that's cute. That is so freaking cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And if you guys do want to see more fall DIYs, I do have a few videos showcasing like full videos of like fall and Halloween stuff. So check those out if you want to see more. And then for the next one, we have some cardboard. Okay, what are they making here? Definitely some kind of, oh, a giraffe maybe? Definitely some kind of animal. Okay, I was gonna say maybe a giraffe or a goat, but I think that's definitely a giraffe. Oh yeah, he has his tongue sticking out. That's cute. Oh, it's bubble gum. Okay. Oh, wow. This is so cool. This would be really cute for like a kid's room. Oh, so cute. Very clever. Very, very clever. And they place it around their plants. So yeah, I guess this can be grown-up decor if you want it to be. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.